ओम यद्विद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 176, fourth line in Tika. Discussion is about creation, and in that, from Sattva Guna of each Panch Mahabhuta, the Jnanendriyas, Militaihi of the Sattva Guna of Panch Mahabhuta, Antakaranam, Rajoguna from the individual Panch Mahabhuta, Karmendriya, Rajoguna of the all Panch Mahabhuta Milita together is Prana. So the discussion, explanation is about Prana, Pana, Vyana, Udana, Samana. लोकांतर यात्रा काल ऊर्ध्वगमनवान इत्यर्थः। ऊर्ध्वगमनम लोकांतर यात्रा काल। अथ एकया ऊर्ध्वम उदानः पुण्येन पुण्यलोकम नयति। पुण्येन पुण्यम लोकम नयति। इत्यादि प्रश्नोपनिषद वाक्यम अत्र प्रमाणम। Here प्रश्नोपनिषद वाक्य will become प्रमाणम। एकया, एकया means एक प्राण, एकया प्राण, प्राणवृत्त्या स्त्रीलिंग। यद्वा यत् पीत अशित पानीयान आदि उद्गार क्रियोत्क्रमणम तद हेतुस तदर्थम ऊर्ध्वगमनवान इत्यर्थः। Why this Udana is called Urdhvagamavan? So one is because of the Lokantara Yatra, or the Pita, Ashita, Paniya, whatever that we have already eaten, drank, etc. And Paniya means what is worth drinking also. Its Udgar Kriya is Utkramanam, what we call birth. Tad hetuhu tadartham urdhvagamanavan. So for this reason also it is called Udana, urdhvagamanavan. Samanam lakshayati ashita iti. In Moolam, ashita pita annadi samikarana karaha samanaha nabhisthanavarti. So what is ashitam? Consumed, eaten, etc. And pita, etc. Annam, its samikaranam is done by samana vayu. Asya sakala sharira vartitva api mukhya sthanam aha navi. It is there in entire body, but main is Nabhisthana. प्राणादीनां लक्षणानि उक्तानि मैत्रेयोपनिषदि. In Maitreya Upanishad, they are given. Maitreya Upanishad. अथ योऽयम् ऊर्ध्वमुत्क्रामति एष वावस प्राणः योऽयम् अर्वाचं संक्रामति येन एताः शिराः अनुव्याप्ताः योऽयं पीतम् अशितम् उद्गिरति योऽयं not योज्यं योऽयं स्थविष्ठमन्नं धातुमपाने स्थापयति अनिष्ठं च अंगे समानयति इति. All five are given in one mantra. यो अयम ऊर्ध्वम उत्क्रामति 1. एषवाव स प्राणः यो अयम अर्वाचं संक्रामति येन एताः 2 matras. येन एताः येन एताः शिराः अनुव्याप्ताः. ऊर्ध्वम उत्क्रामति is udana. All are called prana only. योयम अर्वाचं संक्रामति. अर्वा गमनमान is which prana?
Apanavaya.
Apana. It is given. Arvaggamanavan apanah. येन एताः शिरा अनुव्याप्ताः. This is prana. यो अयम पीतम अशितम उद्गिरति. So here, okay, udgirati, this is to be taken as udana. Then urdhvam utkramati, that is prana. योऽयं स्थविष्ठम अन्नम धातुम अपाने स्थापयति is apana actually. And anishtham cha ange samanayati is samana. They have given some lakshanas of this pranadi. Some are not very specific. Urdhvam utkramati and ashitam udgirati. Both can go together actually. But they have given urdhvam utkramati as prana. Arvacham sankramati, that if you take as apana, then ashitam udgirati will be separate. But then yoyam sthavishtham annam dhatum apane sthapayati. This is apana. Very clear. Samanayati is samana. So then yena etaha shiraha anuvyaptaha is vyana. Very clear. Vyaptaha is vyana. So samanayati vyaptaha apane sthapayati, they are specific. Urdhvam utkramati and ashitam udgirati, two are to be separated as prana udana in this. तमोगुण प्रधानानाम येषां कार्यम आह तैरेव इति. तमोगुण प्रधान, तमोगुण प्रधानानाम येषां, येषां केषां,
Prananam. देहादीनां पञ्चीकृतदैः
अपंचीकृत पंचमहाभूतानाम. Somebody says प्राणानाम, समझते. टॉप मुख्य विषय इज अपंचीकृत पंचमहाभूत. सत्व aspect of अपंचीकृत पंचमहाभूत. रजस aspect of अपंचीकृत पंचमहाभूत. So having explained that, now tamoguna pradhananam panchikaranam has not happened yet. So panchikrita word should not come only. We are still in apanchikrita only. You see in the Tika, previous paragraph was Raja Pradhananam Esham Karyam Aha. Right? On page number 175 in Tika, the last paragraph started with Raja Pradhananam Esham.
In this page,
So,
Moolam, the first line is that Swamiji. Taihi eva tamo guno apanchikrita pancha bhutaihi.
have we come up to that yet?
No, Swamiji.
Tamoguna Pradhanam Esham is apanchikrita. What I am trying to explain is, so far apanchikrita panchamahuta topic is going on. Earlier on page 175 in Tika, Raja Pradhananam Esham, he gave the pratik. Before that was Sattva Pradhananam Esham. So Sattva Pradhananam Apanchikrita Panchamahabhutanam Karyam was explained. Jnanendriya and Antakarana. Raja Pradhananam Apanchikrita Panchamahabhutanam Karyam was explained. Karmendriya Prana. Now what should happen? Tamoguna Pradhananam Esham Karyam. So Tamoguna Pradhananam Esham is Apanchikrita Panchamahabhutanam. Karyam Aha Taireva. Taireva Tamo Gunopetaihi Apanchikrita Bhutaihi. By the Apanchikrita Panchamahabhutas, Tamo Guna Amsha, Panchikaranam will happen now. Panchikritani Jayante. Now Panchikrita Panchamahabhuta will take place. Nanu Trivritkaranasya Shruti Mulakatvat Trivritkrita Bhutani iti Vaktavye Panchikrita Bhutani iti Shruti Viruddham iti Ataha. Trivritkaranam is Shruti Mulaka. And therefore you should say Trivritkrita Bhutani Jayante. Not Panchikrita Bhutani Jayante. This is Shruti Viruddham. Iti Ataha Tasam Trivritam Ekaikam Karvani iti Shrutehe Panchikarana Upalakshanarthatvat. This is Upalakshana for Panchikaranam. Trivritkaranam is Upalakshanam for Panchikaranam. Tika. तेजो बन्न रूपाणाम मध्ये एकम तेजो भूतम द्विधा विभज्य तयोरेकम पुनर्द्विधा विभज्य तयोरंशयोर अबन्नयोः संयोजनम. तेजो बन्न रूपाणाम, the three Mahabhutas, among them madhye ekam tejobhutam, one, let us take teja, dvidha vibhajya, having divided into two, tayor ekam punar dvidha vibhajya, tayoho ekam, the one of them, of the two that is split again into two, vibhajya, tayoho amshayoho abannayoho sanyojanam. So that one teja amsha, half of it will get united with ab and anna amsha. तथा जलम द्विधा विभज्य तयोरेकम भागम पुनर्द्विधा विभज्य तयोहो अंशयोहो तेजः पृथिव्योः संयोजनम. In the same way, jalam, when it is divided into two, tayoho ekam bhagam punardvidha vibhajya, then one bhag get one part. So jalam split into two. Then one part of that split is again split into two. And tayoho amshayoho tejaha prithivyoho sanyojanam. And with that other half, these two which are split, one will unite with teja, another will unite with prithvi. Teja prithivyoho sanyojanam. एवं पृथिवीं द्विधा विभज्य तयोर एकम भागम पुनर्द्विधा विभज्य तयोर अंशयोर जलनभसोः संयोजनम इति त्रिवृतम त्रिवृतम एकैकां कर्माणि इति श्रुतेः इति. What is the mistake in this?
Instead of tejasoho, nabasoho.
Did you read from the other commentary or you actually found out?
Other commentaries.
No, you have to use buddhi. That is what I want. That is why I ask question, so that people think. Nabhasoho is not correct. It should be Jala Tejasoho. Because there is no discussion on Nabha yet. Evam Prithivim Dvidha Vibhajya. When Prithvi is split into two, Tayoho Ekam Bhagam Punar Dvidha Vibhajya. That one part is divided into two. Tayoho Amshayoho Jala Tejasoho it should be, not Jala Nabhasoho. Sanyojanam iti Trivrutam Trivrutam Ekaikam Karvani iti Shrutehe. So the Chandogya Shruti said each becomes threefold. So Apanchikrita Panchamahabhuta Teja has now all the three. Now it becomes Panchikrita. Similarly, Jala. Similarly, Annam. So each becomes threefold. That is Trivrutam. Ekaikam, each individual. यद्यपि छांदोग्ये त्रिवृत करणम उक्तम तथापि तद वाक्यस्य उक्त भूत पंच उत्पत्त्यनुसारित्वात् तस्याश्च पंचभूत उत्पत्ति परत्वेन सूत्रकारैः सिद्धान्तितत्वात् त्रिवृत करणस्यापि पंचीकरण उपलक्षणार्थत्वं न्याय्यम् इति भावः. यद्यपि छांदोग्ये त्रिवृत करणम उक्तम, इन छांदोग्य त्रिवृत करण alone is given. तथापि तद वाक्यस्य उक्त भूत पंच उत्पत्ति अनुसारित्वात्, that vakya is ukta bhuta pancha anusari. So when we follow that with the pancha bhuta utpatti from Taittiriya that we saw, anusaritvat tasyasya pancha bhuta utpatti paratvena. So whatever panchikaranam that will follow after pancha bhuta utpatti, this is what Sutrakarehi Siddhanti Tattvat. This is what is presented as Sutrakara, Brahma Sutrakara, as the Vedanta Siddhanta. So it is very clear that in Brahma Sutra, Sutrakara has said Trivrit Karanam should be taken as Upalakshanam for Panchikaranam because we accept Panch Mahabhutas, Utpatti of 5 Mahabhutas. So Trivrit Karanasyapi Panchikarana Upalakshanarthatvam Nyayam. And therefore it is appropriate to say that Panchikaranam is attained through the Upalakshana of Trivrit Karanam. ननु पंचानामपि पंचात्मकत्वे कथम पृथ्वी इयम इदम जलम इत्यादि व्यपदेश इत्याशंक्याः. पंचानामपि पंचात्मकत्वे, if the all 5 of them they are panchatmaka, katham prithvi iyam idam jalam, this is prithvi, this is jalam, this kind of vyapadesha. What is this question? Can anyone explain?
Since each of the 5 elements has proportions of all the 5 elements, how can any single element be called as this is Prithvi, this is Jalam?
Yes. All 5 have all 5. Prithvi has all 5 in it now because after Panchikaranam, Prithvi has 5, Jala has 5, Teja has 5, Vayu, Akasha, each has all 5. So Panchanam api Bhutanam Panchatmakatve. Then why do you call one as Prithvi, one as Jalam, ityadi vyapadesha iti ashankyaha Prithvyadishu iti. This topic, this you are listening to at least 3rd time. Include this is the 3rd time because this is given in Araha. This was given in Panchikaranam. Panchikaranam text elaborated all this. And this is the 3rd time it is coming. And this is also there in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sarasara. Whatever is there in Vedanta Sara, all of it is there in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sarasara. And much more. इति आशंक्याः in Moolam. Moolam they have given the Pratika Prithvi विभज्य तयोर एकम भागम पुनश्चतुर्धा विभज्य तेषां चतुर्णाम अंशानां वायुवादिषु चतुर्षु भूतेषु संयोजन. Akasha gets split into 2, द्विधा विभज्य तयोः एकम भागम. So let's say this is Akasha, this hand. Okay. In that Dvidha Vibhajya, so twofold, 1 and 2. There are 2 parts. Then tayoho ekam bhagam punas chaturtha vibhajya, gets split into 4. Then tesham chaturnam anshanam vaivadishu chaturshu bhuteshu sanyojanam. This will get, this part of Akasha gets united with Vayu, Teja, Agni, Jala and Prithvi. Evam Vayum Dvidha Vibhajya, same thing, you take Vayu also, 2 split, 1 Vayu, 1 Vayu. Then Tayoho Ekam Bhagam Punas Chaturdha Vibhajya, Vayu. Akasha, Teja, Jala, Prithvi. Ekam Bhagam Punas, Punaha Chaturdha Vibhajya. तेषां चतुर्णाम अंशानाम आकाशादिश संयोजनम एवं तेज आदिनाम अपि. सी टिप्पणी नंबर 1 and 2. 1 नंबर. चतुर्षु भूतेषु इति द्विधा विभक्तेषु भूतेषु एकस्मिन् अविभज्यमाने भागे अन्यांशस्य संयोजनम न तु विभक्ते इति ऊहनीयम. When द्विधा विभक्त is there, right? द्विधा विभक्तेषु भूतेषु एकस्मिन् विभज्यमाने भागे, one part gets divided into 4. एकस्मिन् विभज्यमाने भागे, this part, the divided part, gets united with the undivided part of the other Mahabhutas. So vibhajyamane bhage anyamshasya sanyojanam na tu vibhakte iti uhaniyam. So this part of Akasha doesn't get united with the divided part of the Vayu or divided part of the Teja, fourfold divided. It gets united with the half, the other half. So this is Akasha, Vayu, Teja, Jal, Prithvi. So now you have Panchikaranam here. तथा च एष पंचीकरण प्रकारः आकाशादीनि पंचभूतानि द्विधा विभजेत तेषाम् एकैकं भागं तदवस्थं रक्षयित्वा अपर पंचभागान् प्रत्येकं चतुर्धा विभजेत. तथा च एषः पंचीकरण प्रकारः. दिस इज हाउ द पंचीकरणम टेक्स प्लेस. आकाशादीनि पंचभूतानि द्विधा विभजेत. आकाशादि पंचभूत, देयर इज 2 स्प्लिट. एकैकं भागं तदवस्थं रक्षयित्वा, दिस पार्ट इज केप्ट रक्षयित्वा. अपर पंचभागान् प्रत्येकं चतुर्धा विभजेत. आकाश, वायु, तेज, जल, पृथ्वी, they get divided into 4. विभक्तस्य आकाश अर्धस्य चतुरंशान् आकाश व्यतिरिक्त भूतानां अविभक्त अर्धभागे योजयेत. Then those divided parts get united with the undivided part of the other elements. Evam vaivadishu. Same is for other Mahabhuta also. तथा च चत्वारो वायवादीनाम अंशा यावन मितास त्वन्मित एक आकाशांशः. वायवादीनाम अंशाः यावन मिताः, तावन, not तवन, तावन मितः एक अंशांशः. So Vaivadi, etc. These 4 amshas, Eka amsha of the Akasha, and where it was there, the Vaivadinam amsha, Vayu, Teja, Jala, Prithvi, they get associated with that one Akasha amsha. I mean, if you ask where this is happening, where is all this Panchikaranam happening? In Akasha or outside of Akasha? So this this we are doing anumanam. That what we are seeing is only sthula panchamahabhuta. But they have to have a sukshma rupa, where all this jnanendriya, antakarana, karmendriya, prana, all of them are created. So other darshanas don't have this Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Sankhya. They don't have any such thing, Panchikaranam, etc. Sukshmansha, Sattva, Rajas, Amsha, Ekeka, Milita, they don't have any such things. But because we see this in Karya, therefore we are doing Anumanam, that it has to be there in Karanam. Teshu militeshu satsu panchikrita akasha. When panchikaran happens, then we see panchikrita akasha. Evam vayvadishu api jneyam. Samana prakriya is there in Vayu, etc. also. So those who are studying this for the first time, they should study this in Tattva Bodha, or it will come in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha, around 500 shloka. In this prakriya will start from 450 onwards, all this Srishti prakriya elaboration. In Moolam, tad evam ekaika bhutasya tadevam ekayika bhutasya ardham swamshatmakam ardhantaram chaturvidha bhutamayam iti prithivyadishu swamshadhikyat prithivyadi vyavaharah. Tad evam, so such being the case, ekaika bhutasya ardham swanshatmakam. In each panchamahabhuta, half is of their own panchamahabhuta. Swanshatmakam. Ardhantaram chaturvida bhutamayam. And the other half is of the four panchamahabhuta. In this way. So in Prithivyadishu, Prithvi has half of its amsha. So Prithivyadishu swamsha adhikyat. Swa amsha adhika is there. Prithvi 50%. Therefore it is called Prithvi. Prithivyadi vyavahara. Atra tika. Atra dvitiyadhyayantargatam bhagavato vyasasya sutram pramanam ityaha. In the second adhyaya, Chaturtha pada, at the end, there is a sutra. Taduktam vaisheshyat tu tadvadas tadvadaha. Vaisheshyat tu tadvadaha tadvadaha iti. So what is the tu shabda there? Tu shabda shanka nirasartha. Tu shabda is to remove any shanka. Visheshasya bhavo vaisheshyam. Vaisheshyat, so Vaisheshasya bhava is Vaishesha. Tasmat svabhagasya bhuyastvat tadvadaha. Tadvadaha means tat prakarena vachanam. Why it is said this way? Because svabhagasya bhuyastvat. Its own part is bhuya, majority portion, 50%. So Prithvi iyam, idam jalam ityadi vyapadesha. Such kind of naming is possible. This is Prithvi, this is Jalam. even though each has all 5. तद्वाद पदाभ्यासो अध्याय समाप्ति सूचनार्थः. Tadvadas. Twice it is said tadvadas. So why it is said twice? Tadvada pada abhyasa. Padasya abhyasa is Dhyaya Samapti, because it is the last sutra in the Chaturtha Pada of Dvitiya Adhyaya. So Dvitiya Adhyaya is getting over there. That is the sutra. Etena Panchikaranam Sampradaya Advasiddhamapi Nadaniyam Tanmoolavbhuta Shruti Sutrayor Abhavat Anyatha Gagana Pavanayoscha Akshushatva Patter Iti Pratyuktam. Tell me now, what is the meaning of this sentence? Anybody else wants to try?
Swamiji,
Hmm.
by this, even though the Panchikaranam is the Sampradaya Siddhanta, but they should not be taken because they are not set in the Mula, in the Shruti and Sutra. Otherwise, the space and the air also can be perceived by the eyes, etc. But I don't understand why it's said so.
I did. Good, very good attempt. Anybody else? See, you should not hesitate thinking that, oh, this will come on YouTube, then if I answer wrong, then everybody will know. You don't worry about everybody. You worry about your moksha. Think of it as Ekajivavada only. In such hesitation, you will never be able to answer anything. And there is no Hindi translation for this. That's why I ask questions only on Tika now. I mean, what is the use of studying sutras and memorizing and repeating them? This is the sutra and that is the sutra. When the sentence comes and when you have to apply it and then you don't know. And this is not a new topic. This topic is already studied. This Vishay we have already discussed. All this has come in Panchikaranam text. Yes, anybody?
It says that by what has been explained so far, because there is no there is no direct Shruti or in Brahma Sutra for evidence validation for Panchikaranam. Therefore, Panchikaranam is not valid, na adaraniyam, because anyatha gagana then the existence of the sky and air achakshushatva means apratyakshatva
No,
problem will be there.
Chakshushatva, not achakshushatva. Chakshushatva.
So does achakshushatva mean apratyakshatva?
Not achakshushatva, where it says chakshushatva.
Gagana pavanayoho chakshushatva apattehi.
Okay. So understand how to read sentences. It starts with etena, ends with pratyuktam. Etena pratyuktam. Etena hetuna. By this hetu, something is refuted. Pratyuktam means refuted. What is being refuted by this? Somebody says, Sampradaya adva siddham api panchikaranam na adarni. Even adva means marga. In the Sampradaya marga, panchikaranam is, somebody said na adaraniyam. Bhamatikara. Because they say tan moola bhuta shruti sutrayor abhavat. When we discuss the differences between Bhamati and Vivarana, we have discussed this. Moola bhuta shruti sutrayoho abhavat. Because they say there is no moola bhuta shruti for Panchikaranam. There is no sutra, so it is shown, it is there. Anyatha, Gagana Pavana, this is what they say, that if there is Panchikaranam in all Panchamahabhuta, then Akasha, Vayu also should have the Sthula Padartha. If they have Sthula Padartha, so then Akasha also has Teja Jala Prithvi. Vayu also will have Teja Jala Prithvi. Teja Jala Prithvi are Chakshusha Pratyaksha. So then Akasha and Vayu also should become Chakshusha. Gagana Pavana Yoho Chakshushatva Apatti. And therefore they think, because they are not Chakshusha, therefore they should not be included in Panchikaranam. Only Trivrit Karanam is where we should keep it. This aspect is refuted by this discussion. Etena pratyuktam. Means you have to study these things in such a way so that once you study, it is there in your buddhi. Same thing 3 times, 4 times also if you study, and again it is not there, that means you are not giving that much importance to Vedanta. Shruti sutrayor upalakshanarthatvad anyatha purana vakyanam niralambana apatat apanchikrita itara bhuta gunanam itarasmin panchikrite api anupalabdehe. This we will see in the following section. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।